My name is Sarah Thomas, and I'm a business systems analyst. I work for Miller Industries. It's a tow truck manufacturing company. So we have both government contracts, and then we also have commercial contracts. So all of those vehicles that save you from those sticky situations. We have around 1,400 employees. We've grown a lot. We have 3 sites in the US and 2 sites overseas. We are multi-site, and we are also on the cloud. We actually had a cloud migration project that we went live with about 2 years ago. On the factory floor, we are using Infor Factory Track. So we use both the warehouse mobility applications and the shop floor application. For shop floor, we are using it to report the production on the floor. Mobility, we actually went live with first during the cloud migration project. Before Factory Track, we had a very paper-based process, and basically when the order was released from LN, it was handed out, and then we didn't see it again until far after it was completed. Since then, with shop floor, we now have much greater visibility into the entire process. So from all the operational steps, we can see exactly what's going on with that order. That is huge for our business because obviously we have deadlines to meet, things like that. And then we also have customers calling us to figure out where their units basically are in production. Now we can actually tell them, hey, we know exactly at what stage your unit is going through right now. The main benefits of Factory Track, I would see, is the scalability. We're able to actually see what routing times are for different operations, for the items they're attributed to, and then we're also able to just have an overall view even for the supervisors and the leads of what exactly is going on their floor. Before, we really didn't have any transparency on what was being done. It's just we knew when something was released and we knew when it was completely finished. Now we know exactly where it is all along the operations process. Infor did come to our company and they sat with us and they saw all of the problems that we brought up, examples of them. We told them how it impacted the people who are most important, which are our operators who are actually doing the work for the company. They're the ones who have really worked with us to be able to solve some of those issues that were showstoppers. And then they do ask us what our company needs to be successful using that system as well, which is where all of the enhancements come in, and we're very pleased with how that's been going.